If you want your development workflow to run smoother and your team to communicate better, connecting Jira with Bitbucket is a game changer. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to integrate Jira with Bitbucket, step by step, so you can track development progress, link commits, and automate tasks, making project management a lot more seamless. Let's dive right in and get your tools talking to each other. So where should you start? First, let's initiate the connection right from Jira. Now you actually have the choice. You can set this up from either Jira or Bitbucket, but starting from Jira tends to be more straightforward and gives you access to all the features you need. Picture Jira as the central control room for your project. Everything is more manageable when you plug in your other services from there. Once you're logged into Jira, look up to the very top of your screen for the little gear icon. That's your settings menu. Click on it. Think of this as opening up the toolbox for all your Jira configurations. From the drop-down menu that appears, go ahead and choose Jira Apps. This menu is your gateway for adding new plugins and integrations that'll extend the power of Jira. Now scroll down the sidebar on the left until you spot a section called INTGRATEONS. Under that heading, you'll find an option labeled DVCS Accounts, which stands for Distributed Version Control System Accounts. This is essentially where Jira manages connections with various code repositories, Bitbucket included, so click on DVCS Accounts. Don't worry if the sidebar looks busy. Just take your time and follow along and you'll find it. When you get to the DVCS Accounts page, look for the button or link that says Link a Bitbucket Cloud Account. This is the main action you'll need to kick off the connection. By linking your Bitbucket Cloud account here, you're allowing Jira to sync up with your code repos. This step is crucial because it's what will let you automatically display branches, commits, and pull requests directly inside Jira issues, making it much easier to trace what's happening in your codebase without switching tabs all day. Once you click Link a Bitbucket Cloud Account, a prompt will open asking you which Bitbucket workspace you want to connect. If you work with more than one workspace, make sure you pick the right one. The workspace holds all the repositories and permissions. Take a moment to confirm, especially for teams with multiple projects on the go. Jira will guide you through some permission prompts. These are normal and necessary for Jira to interact with Bitbucket securely. You might be asked to authorize the connection or log into your Bitbucket account if you're not already signed in. It only takes a few clicks, but feel free to double-check that you're connecting the correct accounts before granting access. The integration relies on proper permissions to pull in repo data and link everything smoothly. And that's all it takes. Your Jira is now on its way to being fully integrated with Bitbucket. From here, you'll be able to associate branches, commits, and even code reviews directly with your Jira issues, giving your whole team more visibility and less manual juggling. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button. It really supports the channel. If you've got any questions or ran into trouble, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help out. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips to make your workflow more efficient. Thanks for watching, and best of luck streamlining your projects with Jira and Bitbucket.